In this video, you will learn how to generate engaging script. So go to ChatGPT, select the video title. You can select any kind of video title. For now, I am picking the video title of 10 passive income ideas that actually work. Again, we will ask ChatGPT, write a video script about 10 passive income ideas that actually work. Hit enter. Here we go. It's so easy. Now ChatGPT writing a video script about this title. If you type again, rewrite this script, then again ChatGPT will rewrite this script. Otherwise, if you go to Google and type with the same title, then you will get a lot of article about it. You can open every website, then you can generate the video script for your video. On every website, you will get the same content about this topic.